Okay, so here you can see Trisquel has boot up, and here I will have to choose the language. Now after that I will have to choose the option for install Trisquel instead of trying it. So let me go to this option and hit enter. Now what will happen is that it will get into your installer mode, and from there we'll have to install this. Trisquel is making use of 4.15 Linux kernel, and it's based off Debian or maybe Ubuntu. I'm not sure which one exactly, but I suppose considering it has deb support, so it has to be either Ubuntu or Debian. So correct me if I'm wrong. So going through all of that here. Now here you can see you have to select the language. Select that and click continue. And here you will have to choose keyboard layout. So I'm going with US based. Click continue. Here you can see you can choose to download updates while installing Trisquel. So it says this saves time after installation. You can do that. So I'm going to uncheck. Click continue. Now here you see you have to erase disk and install Trisquel. So we'll use LVM. Okay. Now here you can choose option to encrypt as well if you want. So I'm not going with that. So just go with LVM. Click install now. Now here you see it will ask you to do the changes. Click continue. So here the disk erasing is happening through super user. As you can see at the top it says super user. Next thing, you can choose the time zone. Simply point to the place where you live. Continue. Now make sure to add your name. Continue. Now as you can see it will copy the files and install it and then present you with the desktop once everything is finished. At the end you will find that it will show you a dialog box that says installation is complete, you need to restart. So click restart now and let the system restart. Okay, now here you see this is the login place where we have to just simply enter the password and just log in. And here you see your Mate desktop. Okay, that shows some default icons on the desktop. So now if you can see this, that means you have managed to install Trisquel